Let's say we want to design a square coaster bundle juice recipe sublimation. Click on the Create a Design button. Then choose Custom Size. The design will be 4 inches by 4 inches. The first step is to add a background to the design. Go to the Elements section. Then find a suitable background for your design. From the Graphics section you will find a lot of great options. For me, I will choose this background. The next step is to add a photo of the first smoothie since I am designing smoothie recipes. In the same way, in the Elements section, you can find the images you want. Now, after adding the juice image, I will change the size as I want. The next step is to add text. From the text section on the left, choose Add a heading. Then replace the text. Here I will put the name of the juice. After that I will change the shape of the text from above. I will search for a font called Angelina. After that I will arrange the location of the text. The next step is to add plain text. Here I will write the recipe for this juice. After that I will change the font style to Bangers. Now the first design is finished. Click on Add Page below to create a new page and a new design. In the same way, add a background to the white page. I will use the same background as before. After that I will add the name of the second juice. Then change its font style. The next step is to add an appropriate juice image. After that, add a new text box and write the recipe for the second juice in it. After completing the design, click the Share button at the top. Then press the Download button. Download the file in PDF print format for high quality, because the PNG format is of lower quality. Now the file has been downloaded successfully. As you can see, the two images are in high quality and ready for printing.